Today we are looking at a totally rebuilt Roskamp 9x24 2-pair high roller mill. The 9 designates the diameter of the rolls. The 24 designates the width. They are 24 inches wide. This unit has been completely rebuilt. It has been completely disassembled, sandblasted, primed, and painted. New bearings have been installed, new belts. The motor has been sent off and completely serviced at the motor repair shop. Everything is back in order and ready to go to work. The 2-pair means that it has 2 sets of rolls inside the unit. It has a coarse set on top and a fine set on the bottom. The serial number on this unit is 4750. It was manufactured in 1975. The motor on this unit is a 20 horsepower, 3-phase, 230, 460 volt. This is looking at the rolls with the covers removed. I have 6 grooves per inch in the top set of rolls and 13 grooves per inch in the bottom set of rolls. One of the advantages to having these 2-pair high roller mills is that it's like having 2 roller mills in one. If you want to crack the material real fine, you can use both sets of rolls. If you want it a little more coarse, you can open the bottom set and just use the top set of rolls, and you won't grind it down as fine. Here on the side is your roll gap adjustments. This is for the top set of rolls. Below is for the bottom set of rolls. We have them marked here. This would be closed, as close as they can get without touching. This would be halfway open, and this would be full open. The same is for the bottom set of rolls. We have them marked as well. Here we have the unit running. Everything is running nice and quiet and smooth. The unit is in order. Like I said, the motor has been rebuilt. The rolls have been sent off and have been re-corrugated. They are like new and ready to go to work. Everything is in order and running as it should. This is your in-feed gate adjustment here. It is important to note that when you are getting ready to feed the unit, that you always start with this closed and gradually increase the feed after the unit is running up to the capacity that you need.